Hi there, fellow swimmers. Today I will explain why it's important to change the sand in your pool filter. Seriously, when was the last time you changed it? Probably around the same time you last flossed your teeth, am I right? Don't worry. Since it's something that only needs to be done every 3 or 4 years, it's easy to forget. Why did you take it away from me? Clean sand in your filter is key to ensure optimal water quality. With time, your filter can get clogged with soil and plant debris. And what are the consequences of a clogged filter? Oh, I know! The equipment has to work harder, driving up my electricity bill and wearing down the filtration system. Right answer! I would also have accepted dirty sand can make it more difficult to maintain water quality at adequate level. Or, no idea, my brother-in-law takes care of it. If you notice a lower flow rate at the discharge nozzle, even after backwashing the filter, it may be a sign that it's time to replace the sand. Reach into the tank to grab some sand. If the grains slip easily through your fingers, the filtration is still good. On the other hand, if the sand clumps, it's time to replace it. Very important to always use pool filter sand. Any other type of sand could destroy your filtration system. This is not the time to use that bag of play sand you bought for cheap at the hardware store. There you go! Now you know how to do a sensational job! For a step-by-step guide, please check out our blog at simacanada.ca. It'll only take a few minutes. Well, it's Sima all summer long.